Okay, so here we are at the Green Valley house. This is the entrance. It's the first floor. It's 2,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, $430,000. $430,000 in Green Valley for a 4-bedroom home. Let's have a look. It's the kitchen. Quite spacious. Everything you need, ready to move in. Looking back toward the front door. Trying to keep it clean with the booties and everything for people to come in. There's actually a separate dining room. A lot of new homes don't have separate dining rooms. Nice style here of the home. Lots of windows. There's a fireplace in the living room here. You'd be surprised, in Vegas it does get cool. Fireplace is kind of a nice to have. Back at the kitchen, I'll show you the backyard. This is a corner lot and right off of streets to have easy access into Green Valley. Green Valley has all kinds of shops. It has a casino, has a resort hotel. It's highly desirable. Homes here sell so fast. I'm doing my open house this Sunday. I'm sure it'll sell in a week. This is the other entrance room. It's all on the ground floor. And there's a bathroom here. And then we look at the stairs to go upstairs. So here are the stairs to go up. Nice staircase, it's wood. Okay, here we are at the top of the staircase. It's a 4-bedroom home. Like I said, downstairs there's the main family room, recreation room. There's a dining room, kitchen of course, and there's another room, but it's not a bedroom. That could be used for remote work, for desk or whatever. This has 4 bedrooms upstairs. Show you the washer dryer. LG, nice new units. Look at that. That might be the newest thing in this house is those washer dryer. Top of the line LG. I'm just going to pan through. You don't need to see every room. You get the idea. Ready to move in. You can tell. Painted nicely. This is the main bedroom. My open house, I'll have everything open and lit up so nicely. Double sinks. This is the primary bathroom. Double sinks, of course, nice big walk-in closet. Shower with a rain shower. $130,000 open house this weekend. 4-bedroom in a highly desirable neighborhood. Come on and have a look.